Hello, my technical friends. This is CompTIA Lab 10.4, and we're going to resolve print service support ticket. So all our tasks for this lab has been highlighted here on the left pane. So let's get into the details of this lab and see what we have to do in this particular task. So you are one of the IT administrators for a corporate network. As you start each day, your job is to check the issue track, help the system to see if any jobs has been submitted. You are working from the computer named IT admin. So in this lab, your task is to open issue tracks from IT admin, find any ticket that needs to be resolved, resolve the issues using the information found in the open ticket, add comment to the ticket indicating they have been resolved, and close the ticket. All right, so let's start up right away. So we'll go into issue tracks. Let's see what we have in issue tracks. So we have two tasks here in issue tracks, two problems to be solved. Let's start with the first one. So what do we have for these? Let's see. Gary, receptionist, has requested a color printer to be installed on the guest laptop in the lobby. He would like it to have the highest level of detail for printing color photos. It would also be nice if it could print the photos quickly. Be sure to set the new printer as the default printer. Alright, so this is from Summer Smith and the priority is high and the categories is hardware. So let's let Summer know that we've started work on it. So hi Summer, we are working on it. Thank you for your patience. So we'll go ahead and add, okay, the patience is wrong first. Patience is going to be PATIENCE. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add these comments. So Gary knows that we began work on the issue already. So let's go ahead and start up. So we'll go to the floor overview. Okay, so let's go to the floor overview and we're going to the lobby area. Okay, so we have the laptop here, but there's no printer yet. So what we want to do is to look for the printers. No, not here. It should be under peripherals. Yeah. So we need a color printer. So let's see. This is a laser printer, but this is black and white. So we look for a color printer. So HP PhotoSmart Plus printer. So this is likely a color printer, and this is 9-pin dot matrix. No, we don't need that. We need a color printer. So this is what we need. So we just drag this here and position it in the lobby. So the next thing we want to do is to connect this particular printer to the laptop and ensure that it is powered. So let's turn this to the back and then connect um, the appropriate cables. So first we want to start with the power cable to power on the printer. So we plug in one end, we'll go in here, while the other end, let's highlight this, the other end will now go into the electrical socket on the wall. Then the next thing we want to do is to connect our data cable, so which is a USB cable. One end will go into this port, while the other end will go into the back of the laptop. So let's turn this laptop to the back and then plug in the USB cable. Let's plug in the USB cable here. All right, so let's turn this to the front. Let's go into this laptop and do the necessary configuration on this. Okay, so we are inside the laptop now. We need to do the necessary configuration here. So we go into the start menu and let's go into device manager. We want to be sure that the printer has been added to this computer successfully. So let's look for printers. Okay, HP Photosmart is here already. All right, so um, let's go to the properties of this printer and see. Um, okay, so we want to go to hardware and sound and then locate devices and printer. Let's look for HP Photosmart. So I think the first thing to do um, is to make this a default printer. Now let's go to settings first and all right. So what I'm trying to do here is to work according to the instructions given. I just don't want to, do anything on my own. The most important thing here is getting the highest score. So I just want to follow everything according to the instruction given on the left pane, according to our task. The score here is paramount. Okay, so let's um, close this. Let's go back here and we'll make this a default printer. So um, so when you make that a default printer, let's see. We go to settings, um, Bluetooth and devices. This is Photosmart Smart Printer. Click on this. We set this as default, and let's see print. Okay, there's no other thing that's highlighted here for us. So we'll close this, close this, close this, and let's go back to flow overview, and we want to go to a report back that the problem has been fixed. So hi summer, the printer has been installed and set as default. So we put a little emoji there. So we'll go ahead, add this comment, and we'll close this ticket. Okay, so we have, let's go to the next task. I think we have other tasks here. So there's one more task we need to fix here. Let's see what we have to fix here. This is, let's see, the issue. The IT office has an upcoming project where we need to print several documents in tri- triplicate. The printer needs to print in a way that the letters will show up on the sheet of carbon paper behind the top sheet. Don't worry about your plug in the printer. For now, just get an appropriate printer out of storage and leave it on the desk in the IT office. Okay, so the priority of this is medium. So let's start up right away. Okay, so we'll go ahead. No. Let's see what kind of printer I'm adding. This is the dot matrix. No, let's turn this to the back. Let's turn this on and let's go back. Let's get into this PC and we'll go ahead and add a comment. Hi, Summer. The problem or the printer has is on the IT desk as requested. You put a little emoji here. We add this comment. We'll go ahead and close this. And the result, let's see how we do. So we'll go ahead and score lab. So that is it, folks. It is 100%. If you find this video to be helpful, you know what to do. So make sure you smash that like button. Alright, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Share this video among your friends and other students in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. And if you have further questions, you can reach me through the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. So till we meet again, peace.